Hello. As co-trustees, I believe that one of the top six things that we need to do is to educate the public. And we're hearing from Australia that where they've already put the claims into the banks, that really a lot of even the bank officials don't know. So I was looking into it for Ireland and for England. And the way I was looking into it was I looked up the people who had signed these documents. They're all alive and kicking. There's about four for Britain, four for Ireland. And they absolutely knew, had read those documents and signed off on them, the agreement that these funds were coming back. And in 2007, and there's all sorts of writing from them later on, calling themselves legacy ministers, calling themselves, foreign ministers and ambassadors and special envoys, all sorts of things. Never once mention that there is this major possibility to restore national capital. And that is a really important thing, and maybe an important way to be able to describe it as well. That instead of everyone being in national debt, that it's a national capital, and that we, the people, are the priority creditors. They have to sit down with us. They have to take this on and deal with it. And that is how it can be the real correction of the banking system, is to recognize that it is the people who energize the credit, and it is our national capital that has been due to us and agreed that no one has thought to mention, and these people can be asked about it. That's one of the things that one of my approaches is to find out the email addresses or an email address for everyone who signed off on this, to ask and inquire what steps they've taken to make sure this is honoured, this agreement, and brought to fruition, and also to write to all our politicians, especially the ones who are in a sense in opposition to the main parties, just to say, yeah, let's bring that conversation up in our parliaments and various different government offices, and just find out exactly, make it common knowledge that these things have to be discussed and resolved now.